Imagine if every time you were badly injured, you could simply turn back into a younger version of yourself. No scars, no aging, no death. For one tiny jellyfish drifting through the world's oceans, this isn't science fiction, it's daily life. Meet Turritopsis. Dohrnii, better known as the immortal jellyfish. And the most unbelievable thing about it is just that it can reverse its own aging. It can also clone itself when hurt. This creature has evolved one of the most extreme survival strategies ever discovered in nature. The story begins with danger. Out in the ocean, this jellyfish is constantly attacked by predators, battered by waves, or damaged by floating debris. Almost any other animal would die from severe injury, but not this one. When a Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish is stressed, starved, or physically harmed, it performs a biological trick scientists once thought impossible. It transforms its adult body all the way back into its juvenile form. Imagine a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar. That's how dramatic this transformation is. The jellyfish drops to the seafloor and begins to melt. Literally, its tentacles retract, its bell collapses, and its body reshapes into a blob of cells. But this isn't decay, it's a reset button. In this blob stage, known as assist, its cells reorganize, reprogram, and rebuild themselves. Within days, the jellyfish turns into a polyp, its earliest life stage, by going back to childhood. And here's the mind-bending part. The polyp doesn't just regrow a single jellyfish. It can produce many genetically identical copies. So when the jellyfish is hurt, it doesn't just heal, it clones itself. One injured individual can become dozens. It's the ultimate biological backup system. Scientists call this process transdifferentiation, where one type of cell transforms directly into another, like a muscle cell turning into a nerve cell. Humans can't do this. Most animals can't do this. But the immortal jellyfish rewrites its entire body map whenever it needs to start over. So why doesn't this creature take over the entire ocean if it can clone itself endlessly? The answer is that while Turritopsis dohrnii is biologically immortal, it's not invincible. It can still be eaten. It can still be infected. It can still be crushed by predators or swallowed by fish. Immortality only helps if you survive long enough to use it. But even with those limits, the jellyfish's ability continues to surprise scientists. Some researchers believe studying its regenerative tricks could help us understand how to repair damaged human tissues, fight aging, or treat degenerative diseases. The immortal jellyfish isn't just a strange animal. It might be a blueprint for future medicine. In the end, this tiny creature teaches us something profound. Survival isn't always about strength or speed. Sometimes, the greatest superpower is the ability to begin again, and no animal does that better than the jellyfish that can clone itself when hurt.